guys, welcome back to my channel, Chelsea So Random, and today we have ramen versus ramen. So on my left to your right, I believe, we have the brand Jjajangmyeon by Paldo. This is a Korean brand of ramen. And this, and to my left, your right, no, to my right, your left, we have some authentic Asian hand-wrapped shrimp wonton ramen with Yu Choi. This is a Costco brand, so I wanted to do a Costco versus Korean grocery store brand of ramen. This is a take on the black bean or jjajangmyeon that you see me eat from other Korean restaurants. So let's dig in, let's pray, and let's get to eating. Amen. We know the rules here. Napkin always tucked in. Today's drink is my favorite brand, Olipop, and we will have no glass this time. No glass, just the straw, y'all. I'm being a little, I got straightforward today. Orange squeeze, nice and good. Okay, so I'm gonna take this lid off, y'all. It's very hot. This is a soup style ramen. I'm gonna give you an up close. So this is what the soup one looks like up close. You can't really give it much of a picture there, but, and here is the ramen one, the black bean noodle one, y'all. Hope you guys can see. So we're gonna mix. We're gonna mix together. And this is one of the popular brand of black bean noodles, or instant black bean noodle ramen, or ramyeon, as they say. Y'all, off camera, I burnt the mess out of myself. I definitely edited that out. I burnt the mess out of myself. Trying to show you guys the soup one. All that soup, all that broth just ran over my arm, or my hand. So I'm not happy right now with myself for wasting all that broth, not even burning myself, but wasting all that broth. So yeah, I'll be more careful next time, y'all. But woo boy, ooh. And actually, if I feel brave enough, I might keep it in here, me burning myself, but probably not. Okay, so this is what it looks like, the ramen looks like in here. They're kind of like thin spaghetti noodles, similar to my angel hair pasta I showed y'all last week. And it comes with little soup dumplings, y'all. Look at that. So good. Okay, it's burning hot, so let's try this first before we burn ourselves on that, before we burn ourselves with this. Okay. I tried instant black bean noodles before, years ago, and I did not like it. I don't think it was this brand, but I did not like it because I love to me, when you get it from a restaurant, Korean restaurant, it has a nice, authentic, home cooked taste to it. But let's see if I can get with this. Y'all, let me bring a little farther back to you guys. Ooh, y'all, it's hot. Like, mukbangs aren't for the weak, y'all. Ooh. Can y'all see that? Look at that. Can y'all see? Look at that. Hold on. Okay. Y'all, I got little pieces of potato in it. Hold on, y'all. This doing something. Whoa. Whoa. Y'all. Let me put y'all up a little bit. There we go. There we go. Yo, that's actually pretty darn good. Oh, excuse me. Oh, y'all, once again, this is the brand Paldo Jjajangmyeon. Well, Jjajangmyeon. Instant noodle with black bean sauce. Y'all, hold on. This is very good. This is very good. It's different. The taste is still deep, but it has a sweet, I don't want to call it barbecue-y. I don't want to say that. Okay. It's a gravy kind of aftertaste to it, which I can really get with. It kind of reminds me of mushroom gravy, y'all. Okay, now this is, before I say something wrong, this is a shrimp wonton ramen, okay? A shrimp wonton ramen. It smells shrimp-like. Oh, look at that. Got one song. I gotta be careful, y'all, because I might hurt myself again. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. It has pieces of, what is this? Spinach. Very brothy and very subtle. There's a light shrimp flavoring to it, but it's very clean, y'all. Total, it's like night and day. That's bunch of broccoli, y'all. I like a broccoli stalk to me, but could be wrong. Not too close. Y'all. Now, I know if I bite into this wonton, y'all, I'm really going. I can't talk. I know if I bite into this ramen, this wonton, it's gonna burn me. This is very subtle, y'all. If y'all want something warm, seems like a brothy soup with noodles in it, I would get this. It's simple, nothing too much going on. Clean. If you don't want too much flavor in your ramen, is that a thing? I think you can over flavor ramen, but the slurp factor, 10 out of 10. It's a smooth slurp. You hear me? It's smooth. Now this baby right here, she thick. She thick. So if I had to choose, like which one I would eat all the time, black bean noodles. Now, but I'm not saying I wouldn't eat this all the time either. They both be in my pantry. They both be in my freezer. These are actually one's in the pantry and this is actually stored in your freezer. So if you got a Costco membership, go ahead, try them out. Oh, y'all, look at that. Look at that. Take a bite, y'all. Take a bite. Slurp factor for the black bean, I'll give it a 4 because it's pretty thick. The smoothness of it is pretty thick. So there's not really a smooth glide to slurping this. Actually, I take that back and give it a 6. Because it's still smooth. It's not as quick and like easy to get through like the wonton shrimp ramen. But it's smooth though. Because I definitely had thicker black bean noodle sauce. So You know, so I'm very positive the black bean instant noodles I had years ago wasn't this one. Was it the Chopaghetti one? Maybe? Oh, look at that. Oh, so good. Yeah, I burnt the mess on my hand. So, would I recommend either of these? I would actually highly recommend. I would actually highly recommend both of these. Sure would. Okay, y'all. Oh, let's get into this one time, because I'm scared. Okay, Costco. Y'all, don't play with Costco. This is clean. So I can see how this is very clean and refreshing. The wonton wrapping isn't thick, easy to chew. And the shrimp is pretty sizable. Maybe a medium shrimp in here. Y'all. I'm sorry, I'm not being silly, y'all. Those are actually very good. Both of these are really good. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there watching. Oh. I'm trying to slurp now. Hope you guys have a good Father's Day. Oh, excuse me. Why does my sodas, like the acid, the acidity, the carbonation in sodas affect me so quickly, y'all? It don't take nothing. Oh, look at that. This, I'm surprised, y'all. I'm surprised. I was really expecting not to like this. You know, when you lick the chopsticks, yeah. Yeah. When I don't feel like paying them restaurant prices, this right here, I get this. Look how big these pieces are, y'all. To be in, oh, that's potato. To be an instant pack. That's why this whole pack was expensive. I actually got, it was a pack of 5 or 6. This is the last pack because I was very sure I wasn't gonna like it. So I told my husband just to leave me one. The same with this one. It was a pack of 6 or something like that. I was like, no, I ain't gonna like it. Just leave me one. These are the last ones of each pack. I'm over here mad. Go ahead and give him all his wrong. Y'all. Did I offer y'all any of this yet? Did I offer y'all any of this? But it's kind of messy. I think I did, but y'all get some more. You want some more? You want me to eat it? Okay, okay. Y'all. I can't really see this ramen, y'all, because it's so, the bowl is so deep. But, Yo, she thick. I really can't believe I let my husband have most of this pack. Can't believe that. But he just is happy. Oh, look at that. Look at that. The coloring is so nice. It's so nice. We don't lose ramen around here, y'all. And sometimes my favorite part about black bean noodles is the sauce afterwards. Y'all. Y'all. So good. Excuse me. Oh man, excuse me. No ramen left behind, y'all. All right, some more wonton. Okay, I think it's cool if I can kind of reach it. Nope. Hold on. They actually give you a good amount of wontons, y'all. Can y'all? Don't make me drop this, y'all. Look at that. It's kind of sloppy, but it's like so soft. It's so clean, y'all. This is what you call a summer ramen. Y'all gonna get messy, y'all. Goodness. My husband done tricked me, y'all. That's what I'm calling it. I've been swindled. Swindled. I'm about to forget that I'm filming and just shovel all this goodness. All this goodness. Ain't no way that I told my husband, oh yeah, you can have all, just leave me one. I learned my lesson. I learned it. I sure did. Look at that, y'all. Look at that coloring. Now, I'm not saying it's better than, you know, going to a restaurant and getting it, but in a hurry, in the aisle, feel like going out spending takeout money. This will do you. A little dab will do you. All right, y'all. I have about 2 wontons left, but it's very hard to grab with these chopsticks because it's slippery. This is the shrimp, y'all. The shrimp came out. Look at that shrimp. Y'all see that shrimp? Wow. Costco, I'm playing. Oh. Go get it. Run. Run. I was getting a little tongue action on that last bite. Chill out. See, I was trying to make sure I got every little drop. I ain't wanna let nothing fall. It's the last wonton, y'all. Mmm. 'Cause Yeah, it's something but straggle pieces like this left behind. And some vegetables. What is this? I think it's spinach leaves. And I don't like spinach. Yeah, we cleared it. I think. Yeah, we cleared it. Look at that. Gone. Now, we gotta finish this delightful jjajangmyeon ramen. That is so good. Okay. I'm having some dexterity issues right now. We're gonna put it off to the side. Voila. More room. It's a dexterity, I mean range of motion. Y'all. It's my hand burnt, that's why I can't think straight. And yes, this instant black bean noodles is scrape the plate after you're done worthy. If you're wondering, like, is you really scraping the plate? I am. These little pieces of meat. This sauce profile or taste profile of this these noodles remind me of a Sunday dinner. Oh, reminds me of a Sunday dinner I've had as a child. It's so deep and earthy, but yet gravy like. Some liver and onions, or some smothered pork chop and some mushroom gravy. Oh gosh, ooh, it's doing it, y'all. Okay, now I'm being petty. I know. I love it. I know. It's that good. Okay. Okay. And put this back on the thing here so we can see what we've completed. And y'all, we ain't done yet. No, we're not. Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh, excuse me. Oh. By the way, y'all, this is the Olipop orange squeeze. Very refreshing. Summer ready, okay? Oh. This mukbang was more dangerous than I thought it was gonna be. Y'all. Not me risking my life to make a food video. And I did. Oh, y'all. Oh. Proof, so you know. Oh, excuse me. I completed my drink. And now we can do the ceremonial. Throw in a towel. Oh. You guys, thank you for joining me on this video today. Taking the time out to watch me on my channel. If you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Excuse me. Hit that subscribe button. Like this video. Share with 80 billion, trillion, all your friends. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.